Hello everyone, I will show you how to install VPN on your iPad. I already did it on mine, so I will demonstrate it on my iPhone. First of all, you will go to the App Store and look up for the app Cisco AnyConnect. You can download it and open it. After you open it, you can see there's no kind of connection, so you have to do it by yourself. First of all, you go to Verbindung and VPN-Verbindung hinzufügen. The IP address we need for this, for the Goethe-Universität, is shown on the PDF datei the IT sent to us. So you will type in a Serveradresse VPN-Einwahl.uni-Frankfurt.de. Now you have to save it, speichern. You have to allow your iPad or MacBook, I'm not quite sure, for the VPN configuration. Now you have to type in your password. So you see it's activated, but you have to go back and activate it here. You see, now you will be sent to the Authentifizierung, and here you have to type in your HZ-Account-Daten. Now verbinden. Now you have installed the VPN, it was shown. So, to have access to the exam, you now have to go to the address. It is also shown on the PDF datei the IP sent to us. You see this one. In here, the Benutzername and password is already given. All you have to do is to sign up. And that's it. I hope I could help you.